For our next practice exercise, we will test if there is a difference between college and happiness. In Tagalog, meron bang kinalaman ang college kung saan naka-enroll ang estudyante sa pagiging masayahin nila? College is categorized into 6. The College of Engineering, Liberal Arts, Industrial Education, Industrial Technology, and College of Science and College of Architecture and Fine Arts. Because the college has more than 2 categories, the use of t-tests for independent samples is not appropriate. If the independent variable like college has more than 2 categorical independent groups, again in this case it has 6, the appropriate statistical to use is one-way ANOVA. In using ANOVA, we should check if the 6 assumptions are met. So we have assumption 1, ibasa na lang, assumption 2, assumption 3, assumption 4, assumption 5, and assumption 6. To test if there is significant difference between college and happiness, we need to load first our data, the happystat.sab. Happiness is represented by the score half variable. So this is the score half variable. To understand how it was computed, please see and read the happiness questionnaire. So this is the happiness questionnaire. Medyo mahaba itong questionnaire na to. No? Sa dulo, makikita nyo kung paano yung naging point system niya to compute for the happiness score. To perform the ANOVA test, we click on Analyze, Compare Means, and choose One-Way ANOVA. We select the score in happiness or the score half and move it to the dependent list box. We choose college, variable college, and move it to the factor box. In the post hoc option, we select Sheffield. Continue. And then we click on OK. The data that we need to include in presenting the table of results are the sum of squares, the DF or the degrees of freedom, the mean square, the F value, and the significance or P value. So we just copy-paste this table to our Word document. We will use the table title, ANOVA between the colleges and the scores in happiness. So the significance value, as we can see, is less than 0.05. So we can conclude that there is a significant difference among the colleges when it comes to the happiness of the students. So this table will only show us that there is a significant difference. Pero hindi natin malalaman dito kung anong colleges, so saang colleges nagkaroon ng significant difference. That is why we will further test our data using post hoc by Sheffield.